Hello children, welcome to class 4 social studies. First lesson, the story of the past and evidences in history. We have completed the lesson, no? Question answers over, then definitions, then previous class I have given some short notes. No, all of you understood the short notes? Have you done in copy? Yes. Then today we will discuss some distinguish between the following. Okay, distinguish between. 3 questions are there: history and archaeology, ancient India and modern India, religious literary sources and secular literary sources. Okay, today these 3 we will discuss. First one, history and archaeology. Differentiate between. Distinguish between means differentiate between. You have to write about the differences of these two in 2 sentences. Okay, 2 or 3 sentences. If any example is there, you have to write the example also. So when you write the distinguish between, you have to write in 2 columns. First point you write in first column, then second give a separation by marking a line, then write the second point, then write about the points there. Okay, clear? History and archaeology. What is history? History is the study of the past. What is history? History is the study of the past. That is the first point. Then second point you can write, the people who study about history are known as historians. Okay, first column you write history, and the first point is, what is history? History is the study of past. All of you understood? Yes. Then the second point is, the people who study about history are known as historians. Clear? These 2 points you have to write about a history. Then write in the next column, that means next part, archaeology. Archaeology also, for archaeology also you have to write 2 sentences. What is archaeology? Archaeology you can write like this. Yesterday I have given the definition, no? The same definition you write first. What is archaeology? Archaeology is the scientific study of prehistoric people and their culture by the analysis of their arts, culture and the monuments. Okay. Then second point you write, the people who study archaeology are known as archaeologists. Clear all of you? Differentiate between history and archaeology. Both history and archaeology you should write. You should write 2 points each. Okay. Once again I will read history. History is a study of past. Then second point about history is, the people who study history are known as historians. Then about archaeology, write the definition of archaeology in first point. The scientific study of prehistoric people and their culture by the analysis of their art, culture and monuments are known as archaeology. Then second point about archaeology is, the people who study about archaeology are known as archaeologists. Okay, this is directly given in your book. Find out the answer from the book. Clear? Then second is ancient India and modern India. Differentiate between ancient India and modern India. Look at the page number 6, ancient India. Any 2 point, only 2 point you write. Okay, what is ancient India? So take out your page number 6 and mark the points. What you have to write about ancient India? Take the paragraph ancient India. This third sentence. Okay, the civilization of ancient India is known by many names such as Indus Valley and Harappan Valley civilization. Okay, it began around 3000 BCE. Till there you write. Clear? These 2 points. The civilization of ancient India is known by many names such as Indus Valley and Harappan Valley civilization. It began around 3000 BC. These 2 points, only these 2 points you have to write about ancient India. Then write about modern India. Take the paragraph modern India, page number 7. You can write first lines. The modern India consists of entry of British in India, comma, East India Company and India's freedom struggle. That is the first point. Then you can write the last point. Mahatma Gandhi was the main freedom fighter during modern India. Last point. Mahatma Gandhi was the popular leader during modern India. Only these 2 points you write about modern India. Clear? Ancient India and modern India. Once again I will read about ancient India. Take ancient India paragraph. Third sentence. The civilization of ancient India is known by many names such as Indus Valley and Harappan Valley civilization. It began around 3000 BCE. Then write about modern India. Page number 7. Take the paragraph modern India. First sentence. Modern India consists of the entry of British in India, East India Company and India's freedom struggle. Then you write the last sentence of the paragraph. Mahatma Gandhi was the main freedom fighter during this period, during the modern India. Clear? Okay. Then religious literary sources and secular literary sources. Differentiate between religious literary sources and secular literary sources. That is directly given in your page number 9. Write about religious literary sources. Page number 9. Religious literary sources given there, no? You write directly. It consists of, write the heading, religious literary sources and write, it consists of writings that include the religious literature. The books based on religions are Vedas, Ramayana, Buddhism, Gita, Quran, Bible and Puranas. Okay, page number 9, religious literary sources. Then write about the secular literary sources. It is in page number 10. Secular literature consists of writings that are non-religious literature. The law book of ancient India, Dharma Sutras, Smriti, Arthashastras and Kalidas are the examples of secular literary sources. Clear all of you? Secular and religious. Okay. When you write this, make 2 columns and write. All of you understood? Differentiate between history and archaeology, ancient India and modern India, religious literary sources and secular literary sources. Clear? Bye. You have to do in copy this. Okay.